Hi and welcome to this video. My name is Brian Nelson from Encaustic Art Plus, based in Elsica, South Yorkshire. In this video I'm going to demonstrate a basic pattern using red encaustic wax, the iron and some black card. Firstly, fill your iron with the wax. Let the iron sit on the card and slide. Oh, that's just stuck. Doesn't matter, we can just go over it again. Covering the card. So we've got a mixture of black and red. Let's try and get the light to reflect onto that for you to see a bit better. Then I'm going to take the side of the iron, tilted right over, cutting across like a lightning strike. I'm going to produce a pattern using the black card, silver wax and the iron. Firstly, fill the iron with silver wax. Allow the wax and iron to just bed on the card. Slide gently over the card to fill it. Sometimes you'll get a gap and it's where air traps underneath. If you just sort of swoosh, generally you'll cover it. There we go. A little bit up there. It's nice and covered. I'm just going to twist my card slightly, make life easier for myself. Then I'm going to grab a tissue, give the iron a quick wipe, and it's only to take the excess off. I'm really not too worried. Just taking the excess off. Then angle the iron on its side. Push forward, pull back, returning to the same point. And I'm just going to spin the card ever so slightly. This technique will give you a plant-like appearance. You can then use the tip of the iron and just lift it up and down to give a little bit of a border and some straight tapping with the iron. A few more in this side. There you go. Just gives the appearance of some kind of plant life. Here's a sawing type pattern using silver wax and black card. We're just going to apply silver wax all over the iron. Let the iron bed onto the card. Slide over, covering the card. That was nice. And then just tilt your card to where you feel most comfortable. Take the cable of your iron, chuck it round your wrist, and we're going to use this long edge of the iron. If you're left-handed, you may find it useful to tape the wire out of the way inside the handle. Right, what we're going to do is tilt the iron on an angle and use it like a saw. And just saw in and out and in and out and in and out. Then we'll spin the card round and we'll do some the other way. They don't have to necessarily meet or anything. And then we'll do some across the card. And where they meet and things, they make some really interesting marks. When that dries, we'll give it a quick rub over with a bit of tissue and see what it does. Should shine quite nicely. Just take a clean tissue, give it a rub. There we go. Quite a busy little technique, but quite nice. Happy painting, everyone, and we'll look forward to seeing you all in our next video. Please hit like and subscribe.